Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up vocal shortcuts on your Mac. Setting up vocal shortcuts will allow you to perform some accessibility tasks, Siri requests, or shortcuts from your Shortcuts app by just saying a phrase that your Mac will listen to all the time. To set it up, go to System Settings that you can open by clicking on the up logo in the top left corner, then System Settings. I'm already in the System Settings, so now I can go into Accessibility, then scroll down to Speech and find Vocal Shortcuts. And this setting is not available on all Macs, so in order to use it you have to have a new Mac, new enough that it has this shortcut available. And if it has it available, you can just click on Setup, then click on Continue, and now you can set what to use as these vocal shortcuts. So either a Siri request, a shortcut from your Shortcuts app, so you can create your own shortcuts in the Shortcuts, and also you can set an accessibility setting. And I'm gonna set color filters, then click on Continue, then I'm gonna create a phrase that I'm gonna say, for example, toggle color filter, and after clicking on Continue I need to say it 3 times in order to set it up. Toggle color filter. Toggle color filter. Toggle color filter. Now I can click on Continue, then click on Continue, and now it's set up. If you want to change which color filter is gonna be set, then it's in Accessibility settings, so go to Accessibility, then Display, then Color Filters, and I have it set to Deuteranopia, so it's gonna set my screen to Deuteranopia whenever I say toggle color filter. Toggle color filter. And you can see that now it's on. And when I say it again, toggle color filter. Toggle color filter. Then it's disabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.